Welcome to my channel. My name is Nosh and today we are cooking easy peasy corns. I'm using frozen corns, but you can use canned corns as well. I've taken 2 cups of corn and added 2 tablespoons of corn flour to it. Mix it very well. Add some salt and almost a teaspoon of pepper. Let it rest for roughly 10 minutes. And after that you can just take in a pan, add some oil, maybe around 2 tablespoons of oil, roughly 2 tablespoons of oil, and just fry them. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing over here. Now the reason I'm taking out bit by bit is because I don't want the excess corn flour to kind of form those gel balls in the oil. Hence I'm doing it spoon by spoon. Fry it very well. You might need to fry it for say around maximum 10 minutes, and at the end of which you can just kind of cover it up with a lid. Yeah, it would take roughly 10 minutes. And frankly, that's all that you have to do. Once it's done, you can take it out in a pan and add some I'm using MD at Chaat Masala. You can use whichever brand you have, maybe Shan or whichever other one. Say around 2 tablespoons of Chaat Masala. You can add that. Some chopped green chilies, around 3 chopped green chilies, and squeeze some lemon on it, half a lemon, one of the large ones, and some coriander. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Voila, that's it. It's very simple, very tasty as well. So for those of you who like this dish, I will be sharing some more crafts, as well as I will be adding more crafts, and you already see that I do a lot of these recipes, so I'd love if you could subscribe to my channel. There you go. Thank you for visiting me today.